Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffro, and today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install some Vision X lights on your Toyota Tacoma. We are going to be installing two 4.7 CG2 LED light cannons on the A-pillars of this Toyota Tacoma. Vision X lights are race-proven off-road lights forged in the fire of off-road racing competition. These CG2 Light Cannon LED lights push a combined 10,500 lumens, giving you a ton of medium-distance lighting coverage at a flip of a switch. This no-drill bolt-on kit comes with wire harness, brackets, and easily mounts to your factory location to provide a clean factory-like appearance. Before we dive into this install, I'm going to show you what tools we're going to need to make our life easier. You're going to want a 10mm deep dish socket on a ratchet, 13mm socket on a ratchet, a Sharpie or a pencil, a set of flush cuts or dikes, some zip ties, a set of open-end box wrenches. And I know we said this install was a drill-less kit, but to install your switch on the interior of your vehicle, we're going to use a stepper drill bit to mount this nice and flush. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop your hood to access your hinges. The nice thing about this kit is it utilizes the factory hood hinges to mount the lighting brackets. It's important to mark your hood location. That way when everything gets put back together, your hood's properly aligned. So you're going to remove the hinge bolts. It's going to be nice to have someone help you hold your hood from sliding down. And then we're going to install our bracket. Once you've removed the hood bolts, you're going to want to install your Vision X bracket over the hood hinge and reinstall the bolts. Before you tighten it, you want to make sure you have it properly aligned, and go ahead and cinch it down. Once you have everything tightened up, you're just going to repeat the process on the other side. After you have your bracket installed, you're going to simply install your light utilizing two open-end wrenches. Once you have your lights installed, it's time to wire everything up. This kit comes with a complete wire harness to make everything clean and easy. First, we recommend laying the harness out to where it's going to be placed and then hooking everything up. The final step is going to be cleaning up all the excess and zip tying everything into place. I'm going to start with hooking up the positive and the negative leads to the wiring harness to the battery. You can mount your negative either to the battery terminal itself, or I'm just going to ground it to where the main ground for the truck is. It's a little easier place to mount it. So there's a couple of different ways you can mount the relay. I personally tape these two together, and I'm gonna mount them right to the existing mount for the relay and fuse box. So I'm just gonna put this right there. Since I'm mounting them this way, I tape them together to make life a little easier. Now you have everything nice and clean in one area, and it makes things a lot simpler. So once you've got your slack kind of wrangled here and know your distance, you can go ahead and connect your pigtail to your light. Personally, I like to lay the harness utilizing maybe where the factory harness lays and zip tie it right to it. Keeps everything nice and clean. Now that you've got all your wire laid and connected, the last thing to do is to feed your switch wire through your firewall of your truck and mount your switch. So after you've fed your switch wire through, we're gonna locate the switch. You're gonna use a stepper bit, and we're gonna drill a hole. Such, and then simply connect your switch wires and you should be good to go. All right guys, so that is it for our Vision X CG2 Light install. Be sure and take the time to go out at night and set your lights up to your preference. Other than that, enjoy off-roading at night.